Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher from SD Public School. I hope all of you will be fine at your home. Welcome to your English class. I hope all of you have completed your previous work. Students, you can see the picture of your syllabus book, Tulips, Semester 1, on your screen. Today, we will read Lesson 5 of English Literature. So, open page number 30. Here is lesson number 5, The Brave Dutch Boy. Students, this is a true story of a small brave boy who saved the life of the people of his village. In this chapter, we will read what did that little boy do to save his village. So, let's start reading. First paragraph. The Netherlands is a country in Europe. Many parts of the country lie below sea level. Barriers called dikes are built to prevent sea water from entering the towns. Underline barriers. Meaning of barriers is things which separate one thing from another. Underline second word dikes. Dikes means stone walls built to hold back water. And third, prevent. Underline prevent. It means to stop something from happening. Now next paragraph. In a village near Haarlem, there lived a small boy called Hans Brinker. He was a very helpful boy. After school, he usually went to see an old man who lived alone. Now, on next page. One evening, he was walking close to a dike, singing sweetly and passing his hands along the wall. Suddenly, his palm felt wet. He found that water was leaking through the hole. Hans knew he had to inform the people immediately. Underline the word immediately. It means quickly. He ran up and down the road to tell someone about it, but he could not see anyone. He was worried and afraid. He ran back to see the leak. Now the hole had become slightly bigger. So, now I am going to explain these lines. Hans Brinker was a small boy. He lived in a village. It was near the Haarlem. The village was near the Haarlem. Every day after school, he went to meet an old man who lived alone. Yes, after the school, he went to meet an old man. One evening, Hans was walking close to a dike. He was singing a song. He was in happy mood. Suddenly, his palm felt wet and he saw there was a hole in the dike. The water was leaking from the hole. He knew that such a hole was very bad and it could become a bigger. So he ran up and down the road quickly to call someone, but there was no one to listen him. He could not waste the time. He had to solve the problem. He decided that he had to do something to save the village. Now, I'm going to read next paragraph. He could not waste any more time. He tried to find something with which he could plug the hole. Students, underline the word plug. Plug means to close the hole. He could not find anything. He tried to plug the leak with a twig from a tree. Underline the word twig. Twig means a small thin branch of a tree. But it did not stop the leak. So he put his little finger inside the hole. The finger slid in very easily. Since water was still leaking, he tried his index finger. It was the exact size of the hole. The leak stopped completely. Now, next paragraph. He was very happy that the leak had stopped. He started singing again, but he could not sing for a long time. It was getting dark. Hans was hungry and tired. The cold made him shiver. Underline the word shiver. Shiver means to shake due to cold. He thought that his mother would send someone to search for him. His mother did not know what her brave son was doing. It became colder and colder. Hans longed for the warm blankets at home. Underline the word longed. What is the meaning of longed? Yes, the meaning of longed is wished. So now I'm going to explain these lines. Hans, he was very upset that because there was no one, so he had to do something on his own. So first he tried to plug the hole with a twig. With the twig means a branch of a tree. But the water was leaking. Then he put his little finger in the hole. But still the water was leaking. And the third time he put his index finger and the leak stopped completely. Which finger did he put in the hole? Yes, he put index finger. Then the water stopped completely. He was very happy and he started singing again. But it was getting dark. The wind was blowing so hard. He was shivering. He was waiting that his mother would send someone to search him. But his mother didn't know where he was. What was he doing? So he was alone there and he was in pain and tired. Now we will go to next paragraph on page number 32. But he knew he could go home. If he removed his finger from the hole, water would start leaking again. He sat there the whole night. It was cold and he was hungry in pain. Who was hungry and in pain? Yes, Hans. Hans was hungry and in pain. Early the next morning, a priest and a mason came that way. They saw Hans groaning in pain. The mason plugged the hole while the priest took Hans home. Everyone in the village praised the brave boy. Students, underline the word mason. Mason means a man who builds houses using bricks or stones. And underline the word groaning. Yes, students, what is the meaning of groaning? Groaning means crying in pain. So, Hans could not remove his finger because if he removed the finger, the water would start leaking again. So he sat there the whole night. He was very hungry and tired. Early the next morning, who came there? A priest and a mason. Yes, students, who came there? A priest and a mason. First, the mason plugged the hole and the priest took Hans home. Everyone in the village praised Hans for his bravery. He became the hero of the village. So, students, I hope you enjoyed the story. Students, what do you learn from this lesson? Yes, we should become strong and brave. You can also do things at very young age. You can do something to help your friends, to your parents. You do not need money but a good heart to help others. That's all for today. Students, we will meet in next class. Till then, goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.